Question number 146. A growing baby is characterized by stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, abnormal skin, deaf, mutism, etc. It is caused due to, and the disease characterized by these symptoms is known as cretinism, which occurs in growing baby due to failure of release of thyroxine hormones during pregnancy. So during pregnancy, it is the hypothyroidism which will lead to what? Cretinism. Let's discuss the options first. The very first option given is deficiency of iodine and thyroxine in adulthood. And this is an incorrect option because deficiency of thyroxine hormones during pregnancy will lead to this disease known as cretinism. The next option given is hypothyroidism during pregnancy, and this is a correct answer to our question. The next option given is deficiency of growth hormone in growing baby, and this is an incorrect option because it is due to hyperthyroidism, that is deficiency of thyroxine hormone during pregnancy, which will lead to this disease. The next option given is deficiency of growth hormone during pregnancy, and this is also an incorrect option because it is not because of the deficiency of growth hormone but because of the deficiency of thyroxine hormones, which will lead to this disease known as cretinism. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 147. All of the following are functions of medulla oblongata except, and the options given are serve as the vomiting reflex center, act as cardiovascular reflex center, to regulate respiratory rhythm, and last option is center for satiety. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, that is center for satiety, because the center for satiety is what? It is hypothalamus, medulla oblongata, which is present in the hindbrain, serve as vomiting reflex center, so this is an incorrect option. It also acts as cardiovascular reflex center, so this is an incorrect option, and it regulates the respiratory rhythm also, so this is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4, because hypothalamus is the center for satiety and not medulla oblongata. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 148. All of the following are parts of brainstem except, and we know that brainstem consists of midbrain, and hindbrain, in which we have what? We have parts like pons, medulla oblongata, pons and medulla oblongata. Now let's discuss the options. The very first option given is hypothalamus, and this is a correct answer to our question because hypothalamus is a part of forebrain and not midbrain or hindbrain. So this is a correct answer to our question, whereas the other options like midbrain, pons and medulla oblongata are the incorrect options because these are the parts of brainstem. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 149. A motor neuron along with muscle fibers connected to it constitutes a, and this is a direct line from your NCERT book, and the correct answer to this question is option number 2, that is motor unit. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is motor end plate, neuromuscular junction and synaptic cleft, and these are the incorrect options because as you can see here in this diagrammatic representation, the junction between the neuron and muscle forms a neuromuscular junction, and this junction called synapse consists of presynaptic membrane and postsynaptic membrane, and the gap between these two membranes is known as synaptic cleft. So synaptic cleft is an incorrect option, neuromuscular junction is an incorrect option, and this region is known as motor end plate is also an incorrect option. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, that is motor unit. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 150. Select the odd one with respect to cranial bone. And the very first option given is parietal, and this is an incorrect option because parietal bone is a cranial bone. The next option given is palatine, and this is a correct answer to our question because palatine is a facial bone and not a cranial bone. The next option given is sphenoid, and this is an incorrect option because sphenoid is a cranial bone which is present here. And the last option is frontal, which is also an incorrect option because frontal bone is also a cranial bone. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2, that is palatine. Let's discuss our next question.